Now what we want to do is to subtract these fractions you see right here on screen. We'll begin with the first example. To subtract two fractions together is the same way you add two fractions together. But the only difference here is that the sign is going to be a subtraction. The processes are the same. Let me show you the example. To subtract 7 upon 5 minus 2 upon 11, what I'm going to do first is to get my new denominator by multiplying the denominators together, 5 and 11. This gives me 55. Next, 7 times 11 is 77. The same process, but this time instead of plus, I'm going to put minus and say 5 times 2. That's 10. So when I simplify this, 77 minus 10 is 67, and under it is 55. This is what it is. All I will need to do now is to simplify the improper fraction into a mixed number. And that's going to give me 1 whole, and 7 minus 5 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1 whole, 12, 55th. That's what it is. There is no common factor here, so we proceed to the next number. Here I'm going to go with 5 times 15, denominators together. That gives me 75. And for the numerator, I'm going to go with 3 times 15 first. That gives me 45. Minus 5 times 8 is 40. So 45 minus 40 is 5. And the denominator remains 75. Now we have a common factor of 5, so that when I break it down, that's 1/15. Done. Next, I multiply the denominators together. 3 multiplied 9 is 27. That's it. Then multiply the first numerator with the second denominator. 5 times 9 is 45. Minus 3 multiplied 11 is 33. So I'm going to subtract 33 from 45. The denominator remains 27, but the numerator this time is going to be 12 again. Now watch. We can simplify 12 and 27. Let's use 3 to do that. When I divide 12 by 3, that gives me 4. And 12 divided 27 gives me 9. So my final answer is 49. Next, this is easy. When you see 1 whole, just know that the denominator and the numerator are the same. So this is 9 denominator with 9 numerator. So to solve this problem, I simply have to say 9 minus 5 is 4. And my denominator is the same as 9. Wow, what a coincidence. The answer to 3 and 4 are the same for 9. Finally, let's dig into this. Here, we don't know what the numerator is, but we know that 3 times 11 is 33. There's a number times 11. We'll keep it down. That we're multiplying a particular number by 11. Okay, the number is in the box. Minus 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, ordinarily 11 minus 6 is going to give you 5. So obviously the number in the box is 1. It's 1 because 11 times 1 is 11. And 11 minus 6 is 5. So the number missing in the box is 1. This is how you solve this kind of problem. It's actually as easy as you can say.